So I have a meter is giving us good readings, man, because that's what I measured when I am.
And this is like a consistent half amp run. The picture was at this point where the telescope is now.
Last year, the astronomy department approached us at automating a manually operated telescope and being able to do it through the internet, controlling it, and being able to control the telescope through anywhere around the world. And so I thought it was an exciting project. Allows the students to get some good experience. There's some electrical, some software, some mechanical, some design work to be done. So it was a great project. And it's also funded through private industry, so it's a win-win situation for everybody.
It's been a unique challenge. We did implement a PV system, a photovoltaic. So we used renewable energy technology to drive the motor for these doors to open and close. So that was I'm taking a renewable energies class right now, so it's a good connection between that and my actual classwork.
Some of the things I've had to do is model, design a couple things, actually go down to the machine shop, machine things out, weld things, so do calculations, things like that.
My role with the telescope, with the automation of the shutter doors for the dome, they needed limit switches so that the controller would know when the door was fully open and fully closed.
On this project, I've done a variety of things, mostly electrical, and by that I mean integrating the electronics with mechanical systems on the telescope itself.
I'd say my main role was a lot of fabrication with the motor brackets and things like that, a little bit of welding, installation of like the antenna system, solar panel, so a lot of fabrication and installation, stuff like that.
This telescope's not been on operation for about 15-20 years, and it played a very important role back in the 60s, I guess, and in the Voyager missions, and it tracked both the Mars Voyager mission and the Saturn mission. So it's been really cool to work on something and bring something that was manually operated back to life and having it remotely operated. That's really cool.
Turn it off.
It did drop. Tenth of an amp.
I've been here long enough to have had a chance to work with the astronomy department on several projects, and I have to say I really enjoy the work that we get through the astronomy department. It's always fun. It's new. It's a challenge.
I've had quite a bit of experience working on various projects. I probably couldn't even count, at least 50 projects or more.
A lot of students will get the chance to take what they've learned in the classroom and apply it to real-world situations like this, and very grateful for it.
There's a lot of times there's a disconnect when you're in class and you see equations in a book, you just run the math and then you just tell somebody, okay, here's the answer. But when we're applying it here, we get to come up with the answer, implement the system, and then we get to see it work. And that's amazing. I mean, that's unique. And I think a lot of other students get to have that opportunity.
Working for M-TEC, we get the opportunity to take what we learn in the classroom and apply it, in the shop and in real world problems, real world projects that are, for real clients and real customers. So I feel that I definitely am going to have an advantage once I get out on the job.